The garden box is finished. We've got the outside corner moldings, stanchions in the center. We have a spreader to prevent it from bowing. We're all mitered up. Lap joints are tight. Miters are tight. We've got the box all squared away. Rough sawn cedar garden box. It will have cedar straw in the bottom. That will prevent insect infestation, and it doesn't deplete the nitrogen any noticeable levels that would be detrimental to the plants. The tap roots will go right through it. So that's the planter box terminated.